Hello everybody, my name is Justin, Director of Product here at Statik, and today I wanted to show you how you can use your new Statik Aktive Headphones. Statik Aktive Headphones are bone conducting, which means they're going to be a little bit different to the headphones that you're typically used to that go inside of your ears. So why don't we start by just showing you how to put on the active headphones. What you're going to want to do is pull them apart slightly, lift them up over your head, and put them in front of your ears. Now, the placement of the active headphones in front of your ears is very important. I'll turn to the side here. You can see if you have the active headphones placed correctly on your ears, they should sit just in front of the opening of your ear and right up next to the front of your ear. And it's very important that they stay here because this is where the speakers are going to have the best conduction through the bones of your ear and allow you to have the best sound quality. So we really suggest that you put the headphones, position them so that they're sitting just in front of your ear, and you want to make sure that the speakers are snug enough to where they're touching the skin just in front of your ear. If they aren't sitting just close to your ear, maybe if they're a little bit loose, the sound quality is not going to be that good and the volume is just not going to get that loud. So really what you're going to want to do is make sure that these headphones are sitting snugly against your temples and sitting just in front of your ears. That's going to give you the best sound quality. It may take a little bit of getting used to when you first try bone conducting headphones because it is sending vibrations in on your skin. And if you have the music turned up really loud and there's a song with a lot of bass, you could get some vibration on your skin here, which isn't bothersome, but it may tickle a little bit. But the more that you use them, the more comfortable it gets, and they're very great for exercising and outdoors activities. So once you have your active headphones on, if you reach onto the right-hand side and you press and hold the middle button for 2 seconds, you should hear the headphones turn on. They'll turn on, and then within a couple seconds, you'll hear them go into pairing mode. Once they go into pairing mode, you'll want to open up the Bluetooth settings in your phone and scroll down to the bottom, and you should see Statik Aktive as a device that you can connect to. Click on the Statik Aktive button and the device should connect, and then you will hear connected through the active headphones. From there, you can use these just like any other Bluetooth headset. You can play music, watch videos, stream podcasts, whatever you need to do with your headphones. There are a few buttons on the right side that I'll kind of explain what they do. So the button closest to your ear, that's the volume down button. The button furthest away from your ear, that's the volume up. If you double tap the volume down button, you can go to the previous song. If you double tap the volume up button, that will go to the next song. And that is how you use your Statik Aktive headphones. You'll hear a notification when the battery is getting low through the headphones. And when the battery does get low, you can simply take the headphones off. We've included a magnetic charging cable, a USB-A to magnetic charging cable. You can plug this cable into a power adapter and simply connect the cable to the magnetic pins here on the side of the phone, and the headset will recharge in approximately 1 hour. So thank you for being a Statik Aktive customer. We really appreciate everyone who supports us and our brand through buying our products. We hope that you have a great experience, and if you don't, please reach out to our customer service team so that we can help you have the best experience, work through any issues, or possibly replace your order. So please reach out to the customer service team if you have any issues. And again, thank you so much for supporting Statik and our brand. We hope to have you as a customer again. Thank you.